Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Prarthana Halder. Miss, what's your name?
My name is Suraya. Thank you for asking. Which class do you study in?
I study in class 5.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school very much.
Okay, where is your school located? Can you
My
tell me?
school is located in Mirpur-1.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Mirpur-6 Government Officers Quarter.
Okay, do you have any friends?
Yes, I have friends.
Okay, and do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have best friends.
Okay, friends, you have best friends. Okay, how
Yes.
many?
3.
3. And what are their names?
Their names are Samnia, Mehrish, and Zanana.
Okay, how often do you go to schools in a week?
I go to school 5 days in a week.
Okay, and when does your school start?
My school starts at 8 o'clock,
8 o'clock and ends at
12:50.
12:15. So tell me, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and math
Okay, why do you like English?
because it's interesting for me.
Okay, and math?
Because maths are so simple and interesting for me.
Okay, do you understand math easily?
Yes, I understand math easily.
Okay, so tell me about yourself. What do you do in your free time?
I do arts and crafts in my free time.
Okay, so what did you make last time when you were crafting?
I made a fish, paper fish.
Paper fish?
Yes, and a flower, paper flower.
Okay, and do you often make these?
Yes, I craft in a day.
Okay, once a day.
Yes, once a day.
Okay. Do you like to make things with colors or like the plain paper with white paper?
Colors with colors.
Coloring papers?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice talking.
Thank you so much, Miss. Nice to talk to you.